Hello, students. I thought this week I would send a video newsletter instead of having you read. I just had a couple things that I wanted to touch base with you on. The first is that this week marks the halfway point. Yay! Wonderful. It's exciting to be this far into your course. I hope you're doing well. I did want to remind you that Dordt has a wonderful academic enrichment center. If you need information, please respond back to this email and I can get you connected with them. If you need some tutoring or proofreading, I highly recommend utilizing their services. The second is I am your academic advisor. So that means that you can reach out to me if you have any questions about your course, or if you are looking ahead and what am I going to take next spring? Or what am I going to do when I get to college? All those questions are things I can help answer. And the third thing is I really wanted to encourage you to consider a campus visit to Dordt. The campus visit here is wonderful, regardless if you're from Idaho, Tennessee, Kansas City, or Sioux Center, Iowa. Come to Dordt, spend a day here on the campus, and check out and see if Dordt is right for you. I'm all in. I'm all Dordt, and I can't say enough about this place. I just got done meeting with a professor in the digital media production, and just so caring and wonderful, and that has been my experience with every professor I've met in the last few months. So please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I am here to walk alongside you and help you. And I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you so much.